Children, welcome back to our science class. Today's class, you study about one common topic, that is wild animals. Okay, children, wild animals, that is காட்டு விலங்குகள். Yes, you see kangaroo. Look at the picture, children. Monkey, how it is. Snake, zebra. Have you seen these all? Have you seen these all animals, children? How many of you seen these? Very good. Okay, now you see panda, hippopotamus, then bull, elephant. Do you want to ride on your elephant? Do you want? Okay. Then lion, then antelope, gorilla, giraffe, tiger, eagle, ostrich, vulture, wild animals. Yes, some examples. I have given some examples. Look at these again: kangaroo, monkey, zebra, bull, hippopotamus, panda, antelope, gorilla, giraffe, eagle, ostrich, vulture. Yes, are you looking? Okay. Now you are very interesting to see them. Yes or no, children? Now squirrel, chipmunk, porcupine, hedgehog, then possum. You see, meerkat, otter, raccoon, hyena, jackal, fox, monkey, panda, deer, black leopard, kangaroo, koala's bear, tiger, cheetah, zebra, jaguar, wolf, elephant, giraffe, chimpanzee, gorilla, hippopotamus, rhinoceros. Yes? Yes or no, children? Yes. You see, animals are found almost everywhere. Yes or no? Some animals are in water, on land, on hills, in sea. Yes? They can be divided into different groups: terrestrial, aquatic, amphibian, arboreal, aerial animals. You have studied in the previous classes. Yes or no, children? You see these all? This lion, tiger, cheetah. These are an examples of carnivores. Carnivores, already you know, flesh-eating animals. Yes, flesh-eating animals. Then you see zebra. That animals like zebra, leopard, deer, they have white spots. They have white spot and pattern on their body. This one helps to merge with their surrounding. Okay, and make them difficult to be seen by their enemies. By their enemies. You see, hyena is an example of scavengers. Scavenger, that is flesh-eating animals, feed on the flesh and the remains of dead animals. Yes, scavengers, flesh-eating animals feed on the flesh or the remains of dead animals also. Vulture is an example of scavenger. Hyena, example of scavenger. Next, Listen, where can we find wild animals? Where can we find wild animals? Wild animals can be found in all ecosystem. Yes, are found almost everywhere. Deserts, forest, then rainforest, plain area, grasslands, and all other areas, including the most developed urban areas. All have distinct form of wildlife. All have distinct அப்படின்னா வேறுபடுத்தப்பட்ட சரியா. So they have distinct form of wildlife. Okay, we can find all wild animals in desert area, forest, rainforest, plain, grasslands, and also other areas. Okay, children. Look at where do wild animals live in forest. Where do wild animals live in forest? Trees in forest is the food of herbivore animals. Trees, many trees are in forest. So that is food of all herbivorous animals. Yes, so then they become the food of carnivorous animals. Yes, then in the river and pond they get water, and hence the forest became a perfect habitat for wild animals. Okay, so the wild animals, so the animals also choose to live in forest. Okay, because that is the perfect habitat, perfect place for them to live. Okay, children. Look at this. This is one. Listen, this is very important. That Phillips, you study small mammals, rabbits, foxes, raccoons, squirrels, chipmunks, and badgers. It's hard to imagine a forest without small mammals. It's hard to imagine a forest without small mammals. Large mammals, deer, bear, bobcats, moose, and more. The forest is filled with large animals. The forest is filled with large animals. Okay. Then you see insects also there, reptiles, amphibians animals also there, bats also there, small mammals also there, large mammals, after insect, reptiles, amphibians, then and also bats. Yes, so that the forest is filled with large animals and small animals, insects, reptiles, amphibians, and also bats. Okay, children. Then you see animals that live on land, are called terrestrial animals. Animals living on land are called terrestrial. Example, horse, camel. Yes, they listen. The terrestrial animals have the following adaptation. Do you know? Terrestrial animals have the following they have legs. Terrestrial animals have adaptation. They have legs to walk. They have lungs to breathe. Most of them have well developed sense organs and also nervous system that one help to feel the changes around them, so that they can live on land. Okay, animals that live and thrive on land are called terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals spend most of or their entire lifespan on land, in contrast to animals that live predominantly in water. There are animals that can live both in water and also land, that is amphibious. Example, turtles, crocodiles, and also so on. Already you know amphibians, about amphibians. Yes or no? Animals live both on land also in water. Example, frog, toad, salamander, newts. These animals breathe with their moist skin when in water, then with their lungs when on land. They breathe with lungs when on land. Okay, children. Look at this. You look at the paragraph. Wildlife traditionally refers to undomesticated animal species. Wildlife, undomesticated animal species. Yes, but has come to include all organisms that grow or live wild in an area without being introduced by humans. Wildlife can be found in all ecosystems. Already we know that desert area, forest, rainforest, plain area, grasslands, and also other areas, including the most developed urban areas, all have distinct form of wildlife. All have distinct forms of wildlife. We can identify the animal. This is this animal, that is that animal. Yes, so that is the distinct forms of wildlife. While the term in popular culture usually refers to animals that are untouched by human factors, most scientists agree that much wildlife is affected by human activities. Okay. Next, you see arboreal. Have you heard about arboreal animals? That is animals that spend most of their time on trees. Animals that spend most of the time on trees. That is arboreal. ARBOREAL. Okay, arboreal animals. Example: monkey. Then what is that? Golden lizard. Then flying squirrel. Okay, these are any examples of arboreal animals. Listen, they have strong limbs, that legs and arms. அதுக்கு வந்து நல்ல strong limbs இருக்கும், அதாவது legs and arms வந்து ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்கும். So that they can move from branch to branch. ஒரு கிளையிலேருந்து இன்னொரு கிளைக்கு என்ன செய்யும்? தாவும். சரியா? தாவி விளையாடும். They have a tail for balancing and gripping. பிடிச்சு கொள்வதற்கு ஏற்றார் போல tail உண்டு. சரியா? They also have strong claws, நல்ல கூர்மையான நகங்கள் உண்டு, and that support their movement. That also support their movement. Okay, children. Okay. Then do you know about aerial animals? Aerial animals, that is that animals spend most of the time in air. For example, eagle, vulture, bat. Okay, these animals are an example of aerial animals. They spend most of their time in air. Okay, then most bats and also insect can fly. Bats have hollow and light bones. Already we know bats have light bones and also hollow bones, and feathers. They have that which shaped body, boat shaped body. Then wings also there to fly, help to fly. Then they have strong muscles, அப்படிதானா, to flap wings. நல்ல சிறகடிச்சு பறப்பதற்கு ஏற்றார் போல நல்ல மசில்ஸ்லாம் ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்கும். Bat is the only mammal, but that can also fly. Yes? Okay. Do you know that flightless bats, children? Kiwi, emu, ostrich, penguin, these are bats, but they cannot fly. So that flightless bats. What are give an example of flightless birds? Kiwi, emu, ostrich, penguin. Again, kiwi, emu, ostrich, penguin. Okay. Then arboreal, give an example of aerial animals: eagle, vulture, then bat. Okay, eagle, vulture, bat. Okay. Now, children, do you know the giraffe? Do you know about giraffe? The giraffe has black colored tongue. Okay, that about 45 centimeter in length. You may imagine, has black colored tongue, about 45 centimeter in length. Okay, it can clean its ears with its tongue also, because that length is 45 centimeter. Now listen, that giraffe has dark colored tongue, black colored tongue. Okay. Okay, children. What is the length of tongue? 45 centimeter. Then it can clean its ears with its tongue. Okay, children. Next, do you know, I am asking you that cheetah, which is the fastest land animal? Which is the fastest land animal? Do you know? Which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Okay. Listen, it can run up to 70 kilometer an hour. It can run up to 70 kilometer per hour. Okay. Then next, listen, I am asking you. Listen, I will ask one question. That is very easy question. Swift spends almost all its life flying. Swift, okay, that spends almost all its life flying only. It lands only to breed. Okay. Then next, you see, that now you must know about this one, that tiger is one of the most endangered animals. Tiger is one of the most endangered animals, அழிந்து கொண்டிருக்கக்கூடிய இனங்கள். சரியா? The Indian government and Worldwide Fund for Nature launched this operation in 1972. That the tiger reserves were set up and its hunting was banned. அதனால டைகர் இவங்க இந்த இந்தியன் கவர்மெண்ட்டும் வேர்ல்ட் வைட் ஃபண்ட் WWFும் சேர்ந்து என்ன பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னா, இதை வந்து ஒரு இந்த நேச்சரை வந்து பாதுகாப்புறதுக்காக ஒரு சட்டம் கொண்டு வந்தாங்க. சரியா? 1972. டைகர்ஸ் ரிசர்வ்ஸ் வேர் செட்டப் அண்ட் இட்ஸ் ஹண்டிங் வேர் வாஸ் பேண்ட். அதாவது இந்த டைகரை வந்து வேட்டையாடுறதை என்ன செய்யணும் அப்படின்னா தடை செய்யப்பட்டது அப்படின்ட்டு ஒரு 1972 கொண்டு அந்த ஒரு திட்டத்தை கொண்டு வந்தாங்க. சரியா? அதனுடைய ரிசல்ட் தான் என்ன அப்படின்னா, the number of tigers has doubled to be more than 4,000. The number of tigers has doubled to be more than 4,000. Okay children, next the giant panda, that is this is in danger of becoming extinct. Okay, then dodo, that animals also is already extinct. Okay children, okay, now we study something about the wild animals. Yes or no? Did you understand everything children? This class is are you enjoying this class? Okay children, we will meet again with the next common topic. Okay children, okay, thank you all.